When we think about barbecues in the summer, we always think of cooking steaks, burgers, sausages, traditional meats. But why not roast chicken? A nutritious and very easy to cook meat on the barbecue. So today I'm going to show you how to part bone a chicken and cook on the barbecue. Very simple method. With your whole chicken, turn it breastbone down and we're going to remove the backbone. I'm going to turn it towards you so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going to draw a line through the back of the bone. That's my guideline. With my sharp knife, I just expose the bone which I'm going to remove. Either side of the neck, we just have to follow our knife down. And you can see there's a flat bone, that's part of the wing. That has to be followed down. And there's a joint we have to find. Now if you hold the drumstick and move the drumstick, you can actually see the joint that we have to expose and cut through. This is like a ball and socket joint. So we're going to remove the leg bone from the carcass. So there's the joint. So I'm just going to approach it with my knife, cut straight down, and there it is. There's the joint exposed. We have to cut through the ball and socket joint, like so. And once we've passed that bone, just follow down about 2 inches until it's completely removed. As you can see, we're exposing and seeing exactly where we're going. We'll repeat the process on the other side. So your knife has to come down the side, past this little flat bone here, which is part of the wing. We're going to move this bone and we can see exactly where it is. As you can see, it's just beginning to move. Can you see it there? Follow your knife through. And there's the joint, which is going to pop it open. That's the ball and socket joint, and remove. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this waste to cook it on a barbecue. So if you lift the carcass, with your sharp knife, all you have to do is put your knife through the rib cage and draw it through. Same this side. Put your knife through the soft bones and you're removing the carcass. Very simple. Always cut away from yourself, never cut towards yourself. Stop any accidents. We'll continue this process all the way down. Because they're very soft bones, it's very easy to cut through with a knife. Obviously your knife is nice and sharp. Now we can literally pull it through and remove the bone. These parts exposed are the wishbones. They can be easily removed just by at the base of it, just drawing a knife through and removing it at the joint. Same the other side. Just removing the joint. Just to make it more easier to go onto the barbecue, to be flatter. The carcass is actually standing still a bit proud. There's a soft bone that you can actually see there. There's a white part of the bone there, it's the breastbone. That can be removed just by placing your knife into the soft part of the bone and drawing down. Same the other side. Place your knife into it, push it down and draw down. Just remove the bone. It's the bone out. We can now achieve the flatness of the chicken to cook on the barbecue. I would recommend to place some oil, salt and pepper, and away you go for your barbecue. Enjoy.